Okay, I'm going to show you how to evaluate a 3x3 matrix by hand. Now, I have a different video up that shows you how to do this on your TI, and no reason not to, but here's the catch. If you're going on to higher math, there is many times when you will need to be able to do the matrix by hand because you're going to have variables or vectors involved. Calc 3 uses this constantly. So it's definitely one of those things that you do need to know how to do by hand. So I would make sure you do a couple by hand, even though you also need to make sure you know how to do it in the calculator. You need to be able to do both. And there's no reason not, especially on the test, to do this on your calculator. But make sure you understand how this works. Now, with a 3x3 matrix, you're actually just going to make 3 2x2s. But what you're going to do here is you're going to take this one and you're going to put it with this part. So you see how in this row, I'm going to take the 2. So this is going to be 1 times this matrix. Okay. Now the middle one is always negative. Just is. Okay. So then I'm going to take this one and I'm going to take this value and I'm going to take this and this. You'll see I'm skipping the rest of its row. That's the kind of catch here. Okay. And then I'm going to go back, and I'm going back to positive, but you'll notice this. This is negative. That is just part of the way this works. That middle term is always going to be negative, so if that was a negative up there, then it would become a positive because opposite. Okay, then this last one here. So now I'm going to take this number and then these two, right? Which I can't see after doing that, so there. Well, no. I need to be able to see it. Okay, there, we can kind of see it. Okay, so then there's the 1, and then here's my 2x2 matrix. Now I'm going to come through and I'm going to do each of these matrices. So this is 1 times negative 10 minus 12 minus 1, negative 10 minus a minus 6, so plus 1, 12 minus a minus 6. So then this is negative 22. This is going to be negative 4, so that's positive 4 plus 18. So then 12, 22, 0. So the answer is 0. So the trick really is realizing kind of how this works. That when I have a matrix here, you know, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, that these, as you go through them, they're going to come out to each of these, and then you're going to take the chunk that's not under it, and that becomes your determinant. So it's just kind of realizing that relationship to get it done. And then you just do a lot of 2x2 matrices. This is the other thing to really watch. I a lot of times catch myself and forget that, and then why is it wrong? And then I look, oh, I forgot to change the sign in the middle. So, but as I said, this does come up a lot in later calc series, so if you know you need to take it, you should make sure that this is a skill you understand.